Assalamu alaikum students. This is second part of your question paper May-June 2019 zone 2-1. In this question he has given you ABCD is a parallelogram, AD 6 centimeter, AB 8 centimeter and BD 11 centimeter. Using the ruler and compasses only construct the parallelogram. He has already drawn a line for you, that is PAD. He has already drawn for you AD, and the length of AD is 6 centimeter, and the further length of AB he has given, that is 8 centimeter. So you will use compasses. Open your compass 8 centimeters and mark an arc opposite to the point vertex A, so just like this. And again he has given you BD. The length of BD is 11 centimeter. You will mark an arc taking D as the center, so you will get the point B. Join B to D and A to B. Now we know that in parallelogram, opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal in length. So for DC, again we will open up our compass 8 centimeter and mark an arc at this point, and open a compass 6 centimeter from B, so you will get the point C. Join them. This will be your complete parallelogram. Now in the part 2, he is asking to find the angle BAD. So you will put your protractor at point B and measure the angle BAD. Just like this, you will put your protractor at point B. At your line of protractor should be exactly at AD, and then measure the angle BAD. This will be 103 centimeters. Further, E is the point. Next part, in the part 3, E is the point on BD such that AE is the shortest distance from A to BD. So whenever he asks you to about the shortest distance, this means that there is a perpendicular from A to the opposite line. So you will open your compass more than the distance of A from the line of BD and mark an arc. So you can see that I have already marked for saving the time. So this on this arc you will again mark another 2 arcs with the initial and ending points. One arc is this one, and the other you will mark from this point. So put your scale on point A and the point where both the arcs meet. So your point will be E, you can see at the line BD. Now measure this distance AE, so this will become 4.2 or 4.3 centimeters. Now for question 5B part, in this question PQRS is a trapezium with PQ parallel to SR and SPQ is equal to 90 degrees, SQ is 15 centimeter and PSQ 58 centimeter. Calculate PS. So you can see that this is your right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle you will use the ratio cos 58 is equal to PS over 15 after doing cross multiplication. So you will get the value of PC, that is 7.58. Further, in part 3, calculate the obtuse angle SRQ. So from figure, angle SRQ, you can see that here we will use the sine rule. So for sine rule, a 15 over sine r is equals to 11 over sine 32. After doing cross multiplication and taking shift sign, your angle will be 46.27, but he is asking for obtuse angle. Subtract this angle from 180 degrees, so you will get the obtuse angle. Now for question 6. In question 6, solve the inequality. So you will make two inequalities. You can see the solution. From here you will get the answer. X is greater than equal to 7/3 and x is less than equal to 7. And in the part 3, state the number of integers x satisfying this inequality. So your answer, this wala answer is 2.33 approximately. So your x is greater than 2.33, so your numbers will start from 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and he is asking for the number of integers, so your answer will be 5. Now for B part, in this he has given you a shaded region and he is asking for the inequalities. One is y is greater than, because shaded region is above the horizontal line, so this will be y is greater than equal to 0, and the region is below the y equal to x line, so this will be y is less than equals to x, and the third is y is less than equal to minus 2x plus 6. Now in question 7, see question 7, simply fx is equals to this given, so he is asking for f6. This means put x is equal to 6 in the fx function, so you will get answer 23. So your answer will be 23 here. Now for B part, simplify this, so you will get the answer f inverse x, that is 3x minus 4. So your answer will be 3x minus 4. Now for part C, fp is equals to gp minus 2. So in place of, in your function fx, you will, in place of x you will put p, and in place of x in g function you will put p. So you will get the equation like this. Simplify this, so your answer will be p is equals to 15/4. And in D part, simply he has given you g 5x minus 7 is equals to ax plus b. So in your gx function you will put, in place of x you will put 5x minus 7. Your gx function is, you can see gx function is x plus 4/3. So when you will put in place of x 5x minus 7, so you will get 5x minus 7 plus 4/3. Simplify this, so this will become 5/3. So you will split this LCM over 3 on both constant and variable. 5x minus 5/3 minus 3/3. So when you will simplify this, so this will be equals to minus 1 and 5/3x is equal to ax plus b. By comparing, a is equals to 5/3 and b is equals to minus 1. Now for your question 8, in question 8 he has given you the table. In this table he is asking only of these women is chosen at, one of this woman is chosen at random. Find the probability that this through the javelin 30 meters or less. So in table you can see I have circled less than 3, d is less than equal to 3 wala part, so this will become 6 and 16. So 6 plus 16 is 22/80. Simplify this, so you will get answer 11/40. Now for mean, I have made the values of x and fx. X is the sum of upper class and lower class divided by 2. So you will get the values of x. For u, I am going to solve one value for this one. So this is 20 plus 25, 20 plus 25 over 2. So your answer will be 22.5. Same with all values. You will get the values of x. Multiply f and x, you will get fx. Sum of them, so this will sum of fx. This e sign means sum. So sum of frequency is 80. Using the formula x bar is equal to summation fx over summation f. So you will get the mean 333.875. Now for the cumulative frequency, in the part C, draw the cumulative frequency diagram for this data on the grid on the next page. So for cumulative frequency, we add the frequency one by one. 6 plus 16 will be 22. As you can see, the cumulative frequency I have calculated in E part, and on the next page I have plotted the points against this cumulative frequency. So this is the cumulative frequency curve. If you feel any problem in plotting cumulative frequency curve, so you can consult me on my mobile number. I will explain your problem. Acha ji. Now in D part, use your graph to find an estimate for the median. Median is the second quartile, 50% of the frequency. So when your frequency is for 80, the frequency, the 50% is 40. You can see dotted line 40 joining to curve on the horizontal. You will get the answer, that is 33.5. For interquartile range, in part 2, I dot q dot r is equals to upper quartile minus lower quartile. So you can see the dotted lines on the frequency curve, cumulative frequency, the answers of q1 and q3. So after subtracting them, the answer is 8, right? Now for the last part, that is woman who threw the javelin more than 43. So after reading from the graph, you will get answer 6 and 7. Now for the next question, question 9. Question 9, this is your given data in question 9. In the diagram PQ, this is your vector question. PQ is equal to this, QR is equal to, express as simplified as possible in terms of P and Q. So in question he has given you PT is equals to 2 over 3 PS. So making P as subject, so PS is equals to 3 over 2 PT. Put the value of PT, so PS is equals to 3 over 2 P plus 2Q. Again for SR is equals to minus 3 over 2 P plus SR is equals to SP plus PR. Substitute the values of SP and PR. By simplification, your SR will become 2.5 P. Your SR will become 2. You can see the whole working on the sheet. If you feel any problem, you can discuss with me. Now in part 3, he is asking about the type. This is trapezium. P and Q are parallel because they have ratio between them, that is 8 and 5. Find in the simplest form the ratio of P cube absolute and SR absolute. This will be 4P and PP cancelled. Your answer will be 8:5. Now in this part of the question, he has given AB is equal to this, B is equal to this, AD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD, because AB plus BC will become AC and AC plus CD will become AD. So add up all these, so your answer will be 2 minus 3. Now for find a BC absolute, so in this you will use the formula for vectors. This magnitude of the vectors is equal to x square plus y square. First value is x and second value is y. So x square plus y square, this is under 40. Under 40, so 6.32, answer is 6.32. Now given your E is the midpoint in this question, E is the midpoint of BC. So in this we will use position vectors method. OE is equals to half of BC. So this will become 3 and minus 2. Again AB is equals to OB minus OA. So asking for AE. So AE is equals to OE minus OA. So your answer will be 6 and 1. You can see the solution. This is next part of the question, which is the part, this is third part, and this is what is sorry arrangement is kharab. That's it for this video, and further question I will explain in the next video.